Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix your Honeywell thermostat saying wait. Now, basically, the thermostat basically says wait on cool when it's prolonging an activation of your HVAC system. So this is usually to protect the HVAC system compressor, okay? And this, message usually disappears within approximately 5 minutes. And if it lasts longer than that, then it indicates a different issue. Okay, so usually you are probably encountering a voltage issue. So you can attempt to reset the thermostat by installing new batteries in it. Okay, and with the fresh batteries at their peak voltage, you should get a clear idea of what may be behind your long wait status. And if you're still having issues after, changing the battery, this is an indicator that it's most likely being caused by a voltage issue. So you will need a professional to come out to your home and test this for a potential problem. Sometimes the wire's a little faulty, so they can fix that as well. Okay? So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.